Here is a video on how to create playlist on YouTube channel. This video is a reply to a commenter who asked me to create a video on how she can create playlist on her YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to create playlist on YouTube channel, kindly watch this video till the end because I'll be giving you all the necessary tips you need to know. Now, what is playlist on YouTube? YouTube playlist is a collection of your videos organized in one place. This allows your video to play in sequence, that is one after the other. And here's why YouTube playlist is important to your channel growth. One, it keeps viewers in your channel longer. And secondly, it helps improves your watch time. It also helps audience to watch your videos easily without clicking or searching for a particular video. They just have to go through your playlist to get the number of videos or to get the videos they want to watch, and they can easily watch your videos in sequence to see all the content you've created. One of the best things is that you can create more than one playlist in your channel. For example, let's say you have a beauty YouTube channel where you create skincare routine, makeup tutorials, and also products review. You can create playlists for these three topics. So the first one will be skincare routine. The second one will be makeup tutorial. And the third one will be product review, all in that beauty channel. Now that you know that you can create more than one playlist in your channel, let me show you how to create a playlist in your YouTube channel. For this tutorial, we'll be making use of a mobile phone. Your playlist can be created on a mobile phone or laptop. Now let's head over to studio.youtube on our mobile device. We are using the desktop version on our mobile device. I'm not talking about the YouTube Studio app. Here is how to create your YouTube playlist. Go to studio.youtube on your browser. Once you get to this page, scroll down to videos. That is your videos on YouTube Studio. Tap here and scroll to where you see playlist. In this channel, I already have two playlists. So to show you how to create a new one, if you don't have any playlist, it will tell you to create playlist. Now, let's create a new playlist. Tap here to create new playlist. It will pop out this page. On this page, it will show you to enter the title of the playlist. Here, the first bar is for you to input the title of your playlist. Your playlist title must be related to your content. Take note of that. Once you are done inputting your title, go ahead to input your description. That is your playlist description. It must also be related to your content. Input all the necessary keywords and hashtags. You can write up to 5,000 words there. Once you are done with the playlist description, scroll down and tap on visibility. Immediately you can pick public. You don't have to make your playlist private. Pick public and go ahead to create your playlist. This is what your playlist look like. Now I have 3 playlists due to this third playlist I just created. How to grow on YouTube, how to grow fast on YouTube. So I will pick any video that has to do with how to grow fast on YouTube or how to gain subscribers and put on that playlist. That's why I'll be putting the playlist. Any video that talk about growing on YouTube. Then the one that talks about how to use CapCut video editor, I'll put it in the other playlist. To view your playlist, just go up, scroll back up where you see inspiration, video, short, live, and scroll to where you see playlist. Tap on it. You view the number of playlists you have or the playlist you just created with your videos there. So whenever you upload your video, always remember to include it in the playlist. This is how to easily create your YouTube playlist. Don't forget to always include your playlist in your cards and end screen. To edit your playlist in YouTube Studio, in case you want to add or remove any information, tap on the pen icon under the playlist and go ahead to edit any of the playlists you've created, just like this. Then to view your playlist on your channel, you can go to YouTube mobile app, tap on your profile photo down here, Then tap here to review your channel profile. It will show your videos, shorts, playlist and everything. Once you tap on playlist, it will review the number of playlists you have and the videos in each of the playlists once you click on it. When you share your playlist link to people, your videos keep playing in sequence, that is one after the other. This makes them know more about your content and what you have to offer. So don't forget to create your playlist and always add your video to your playlist during each upload. Now you know how to create playlists and why playlist is important to your channel growth. These are some of the tips I will give you. Always add your playlist on your end screen or card. You can also go ahead to share your playlist link so people can easily watch your videos. This can also lead to more visibility and growth. The title of your playlist must be related to your content. Don't forget about this. It's important. Your keywords, your hashtags, and your title must be related to your content. So when people are searching for the particular content, they can easily cite your playlist, or YouTube will bring up your videos for them to watch. Once they can get in touch with one of your videos, they can get in touch with your playlist. So always remember to title your playlist in relation to your content. I hope you've learned a lot from this. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, and also share. Drop a comment on any question or any video you want me to create content on, and I will gladly do that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is the right time for you to do subscribe, because I'll be dropping more content. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.